Hi, I'm John Downing. I'm Director of Minnesota Sea Grant, and I'm here today to show you how to deploy the North American Rescue Hypothermia Prevention and Management Kit. It's an essential must-have if you're around cold water or in several other conditions. So I always keep one under the seat of my pickup truck. So here's the kit. It's about $100. It can be bought in a lot of places. It comes with a full set of instructions on how to deploy it, so it's very easy. You don't need any prior experience. It comes in a very sturdy kit. As you can see, it is pre-scored so that it's very easy to open. You simply pull and open this very sturdy plastic bag and remove the kit from the bag. The kit itself consists of two pieces. One is a cocoon-like hypothermia protection, a sort of a reflective, almost space blanket-like cocoon, and the other is a set of ready heat panels that are made to warm a victim of hypothermia in an appropriately steady way, so that they have the best chance of making it in good condition until they can be taken to an emergency responder of some kind. So two pieces, space blanket-like cocoon, and also these ready heat pads. The ready heat pads come equipped with a complete set of instructions to tell you how to warm them and where to place them. I'll demonstrate just the cocoon and show you how this actually deploys. I won't open the ready heat packs. They're self-explanatory, but they are placed appropriately on the suspected hypothermia victim. All of the plastic enclosures, plastic packaging are scored and ready to open. I always do carry, though, a pair of trauma shears in order to make sure that I can cut through a hypothermia victim's clothing, get them dry or into a dry condition. But in these cases, the bags open really easily. Everything is vacuum packed and vacuum sealed, so it's dry and ready to deploy as soon as the package is open. The cocoon unfolds quite easily, and it's set up in a way that it encloses the victim's head and encloses their entire body, and keeps them dry and keeps heat in. So I'll continue to open up the hypothermia protective cocoon. They come also equipped with a series of instructions telling you how to use them, and you'll notice that it's a rather big Velcro closed container, space blanket-like material in the inside to keep heat in, and it has a cocoon to go around the head, since your head is an area where you lose heat very, very rapidly. So I'll lay this out on the sand here. We would get the person who's fallen into the water, otherwise become very cold, get them as dry as you possibly can before putting them into this very nice cocoon that will conserve heat. You see here the protective cocoon laid out on the sand. You would put the patient or victim inside that cocoon, and that will keep them very warm. That's really all there is to it. Very simple, but again, just to stress, first and best thing to do is to, if the person is suffering from severe cold, get them to a hospital or to an emergency room as soon as possible so that they can be warmed appropriately and have the least damage possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you want more information on hypothermia, its recognition and treatment, please see the web address on your screen. Thank you very much.